$100. Not me. He's gonna.
Is he a vlogger or something?
I guess.
Come on, my guy. Shalom. Hold up, y'all. You know, I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good. Shalom, shalom. What it is, people, it's your boy Lando, and I am the man, the new truck, new me, new year. It's a new year for me. You know how they do. But yeah, it's been a while since I dropped a trucking video, right? I've been locked in. Been hibernating, gathering some stuff, getting some things together, you know, dealing with real life, you know, but we got a trucking video today. You see me? You see me? I don't know if you guys watched my last video. This is a new semi. This has a sleeper. Clearly, you see the green sheets. I'm clean, y'all, so I'm sitting in my clean clothes. See the green sheets, so you know it's official. You know I'm in go mode, right? So today we just gonna, you guys just gonna ride along with me. I don't know what the day has for us, but you guys gonna ride along with me. You know what I mean? See, I got my stuff tucked. Now I live here now. I got a fridge. It's a different type of lifestyle right now. You hear me? Yes, sir. So, hold up, y'all. I ain't showing off. I just grabbed me some water. Don't mind me. I'm just excited, man. I'm excited. Water ain't never tasted as good. I'm excited, you know. New truck. It definitely feels different having a sleeper. Now, if you guys been following my channel for a long time, you know that I come from the box truck world. Had my Class A license for 7-8 years before that. But only time I driven a semi was in CDL school. After that, the first job I got was a box truck job, and I've been there. Then I left and got my own box truck, which you guys should see that if you were following the journey. And now, when I came back after my box truck broke down, I'm giving you the story. After my box truck broke down, my wife called me, but we talking right now. After my truck broke down, I came back to my old company, which is what I'm working for now. And I prayed about it, talked to God, showed him my vision. God clearly agreed with my vision. When I came back, they put me in a box truck. But I had plans to go learn to drive a semi, because I know I'm rusty. I wanted to just take a class at a school just to get back. But prayed about it. God lined it up. There's a position open up, a brand new position. Semi I took. And the coordinator I had at the time just put me with the guy to train for 2 weeks. Then after that, nothing. Like 2 months later, I'm in the truck. I said, hey, I don't think I'm ready. The guy said, you ready, son? I got in and here I am. I was in a day cab. And now I have a brand new 2025 Peterbilt 579. It's definitely different from a day cab, especially the turning radius. I don't have an issue with it, but I've noticed my pull-up is a little bit more. I'm gonna pull up a little bit more. With the day cab, but you know what? I gotta get used to it. I'm used to the day cab. Gotta get used to it. Other than that, I'm loving it, man. I'm loving it. I feel like I might have to go back over the road again. Just by having this, I see. So this is what y'all was doing when I used to be sleeping in my box truck. I was in like luxury like this. You know, if you didn't see the video, I did do a video showing this truck. You know, so but yeah, we're gonna go to work, y'all. We're gonna go to work. I like it. I'm feeling it. Yeah, we're gonna go to work, y'all. Stay tuned. Hold on. Stay tuned. Y'all gonna follow me today. Alright? Shalom, people. This is the first one y'all see me in the truck, you know. Yeah, I definitely love how it drives. It drives very smooth, smoother than the day cab for sure. But it's Peterbilt, you know, it's Peterbilt. But today, this video just gonna be a local, quick video, right? It ain't gonna be a long video. I'm currently at the light, by the way, just in case somebody wanna You talking. It's gonna be a quick video. I got one stop today. I'm headed to a shipper now. It's about 20 minutes away from where I am, and that load is gonna go up to Orlando with one of our office where we could drop it off. All right. But yeah, man. A lot going on right now, guys. A lot going on. What's today's date? June 24th. Now, if you understand what's going on, if you know what's going on, if you look at that date, June 24th, man, some crazy stuff going on in the world. No, I try not to tap into stuff like that, but you can't avoid it. It's our reality what's going on with being people saying there's a potential of World War III, or whatever, stuff like that. All I can say is, for me, in my house, we're going to stay prayed up. Stay ready. Right? Stay ready, you ain't got to get ready. How do I feel like that's going to affect the trucking industry? It's definitely going to affect the trucking industry. It seems like anything happening in the world, it always affects the trucking industry. And the first area they usually go to is the fuel. Right? So, more than likely, fuel price is going to raise. I was out here when fuel price was $6-7 an hour. What is going on? $6-7 a gallon. All right, so yeah, I was out here. I was here. So more than likely that gonna happen. But you know, certain things going in shipments and stuff like that not gonna be able to come in. You know, oil, of course, port shut down, everything. It's always affecting the trucking industry. But you know, we make it happen, y'all. We make it happen. Like I said, man, I don't really know too much fully what was going on. You know, I did a couple years in the military myself. Times like this, when you're in the military, you know different from the locals. It can be scary, and we don't know. We just at a point where we don't know. But let's not talk about that, man. How about my truck, man? Either way, I'm headed to my stop. I'm about to start driving now. We gonna tap in, man. We gonna have a conversation today for sure. Okay? I'm out. Go, y'all. Full trailer, 26 pallets. We at the end. 26, fully loaded. It's raining. It's all good though. Little rain ain't never hurt nobody. If I head on, I got about a 4-hour drive. Leaving Miami, head up to like Orlando. Feeling hungry, gotta find me something to eat. I'm hungry, y'all. Y'all hungry? sleepy today. I don't know what's going on. I'm definitely about to stop at Dunkin' Donuts and get some coffee. Super sleepy today. But we on our way though. We're on, I don't know. I did go to bed late. I went to bed at like 1 o'clock. Woke up like 5:30. That's why you tired, Lando. How y'all deal with it while y'all sleep out there? Let me know. Come on, my God. At a truck stop. And he vibing. Banana. So we got 3 hours left, y'all. I only drove 30 minutes. And I was fighting. That 30 minutes felt like a freaking hour. I was fighting that sleep, so if I get to hit the road, should be a smooth ride. Hey, dog, pick it up, dog. We out. Alright, people, we reached the location. I dropped my trailer already. This trip took longer than it's supposed to take, but hey, no, I was just cruising all the way up here, really and truly. I wasn't in no rush. It took like 4.5 hours. Who cares? But it took like 4.5 hours. I'm here until the trailer dropped. Now I got to go in there and drop off this paperwork for this trailer. After that, man, it's a wrap, man. We chilling, you know, we in the sleeper. But I'm really and truly, I'm not really sleeping in the sleeper. At least not tonight. I'm going to go by my pop's house because I'm up here by my pop's house. Go over there because there's food over there, shower over there, you know. Be relaxed, good bed. But this bed good too, I ain't gonna lie. This bed is very comfortable. This bed is very, 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 very comfortable, man. So that's really what it is. That's what I got planned for the day, man. Either way, man. Shout out to y'all, man. Appreciate y'all for watching, man. Make sure you go watch that next video. Go watch that next video. I just dropped one a couple days ago. Go watch that. Watch that next video. I think y'all will like it. But yeah, appreciate y'all for watching, man. It's your boy Lando, and I am the man, dude.